Na-surprise sila kay Big Boy Abar.
Why are you wearing sunglasses? You look like wearing sunglasses.
You look like makakaligat. You like rich.
Naling, kaya may nagtuturo sa puto, masarap.
Oh?
Yun, mamaya. Alin mo?
I can't find you.
Puto malaki.
2010 again.
No, where is Lola here?
You gotta be here.
Huh?
Hindi ako tatawanan niya. Wala ka tatawanan.
And that's my dad!
Ano? Ah,
In 1997?
Yes, ma'am.
That's so long time ago. It's like 17 years old.
So,
It looks like you got graduated.
yeah, I graduated high school, Nate.
Congratulations.
Yeah. How's my face, Nate? How's my face? How's Dad's face?
Great.
Great. And how's the hair? How's the hair?
Great.
Great.
Oh, Nathan, there's a puto.
Puto.
Your favorite puto.
Come on.
lolo.
No, no.
Ah, dito.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Hanapin mo si lolo dyan.
I don't find you.
Where's Lolo?
I don't find him.
Yeah.
Nandito ka ba? Ah,
Where's
where is
Lolo?
lolo?
Where's Lolo? Look for Lolo.
Nandito ka ba?
This Lolo
Nasa.
when he was a teenager.
Ah, kami.
I cannot find you.
Oh, you need to find Lolo, man.
Pinagpawisan siya sa paghahanap eh.
I found Lolo
What is it?
Ah.
Where is it?
in the side.
This?
Yes.
Oh.
What can you say?
What can you say?
Speechless. Hey, what are you doing?
I got it.
That's your Lolo.
Ay, ito pa.
Nate, another.
Another one.
Another, Nate, come on.
Nate, with the
Nathanael.
glasses. With the glasses.
Your favorite glasses.
Oh, look for Lolo.
This one.
Oh.
And you. Why don't you don't wear
Girlfriend ni
glasses?
lolo yan. Girlfriend
That's
ni lolo.
another girlfriend.
Girlfriend ni lolo.
Okay then.
No, look. Oh.
Wala dito pala yung litrato.
What is that? Why is it so black?
Wala na pala. Hindi pala dito yung...
You got children's? Oh, this is not children's. Is that you, Daddy?
Yes.
I have hair.
You here?
I have hair.
Ayun
I already know you got hair.
Ayun sa
because-
kwarto.
I'll teach you, bro.
Genius ang bibig ko, nagbabasa oh. BTS. Oh, Nathan's favorite.
I'm a big fan of all of them. I'm a big fan. Hey, do not say anyone I'm a big fan.
I show to Ate Angel. I show Ate Angel. Right? That is Jungkook?
No, that's J-Hope.
Where's Jungkook? Nathan is the fan of Jungkook, BTS. Lolo ko talaga. One more.
Nathan!
Tan. Ethan. Nathan. Babe, number 3. Nathan, look. Look in the camera. Nathan. One, two, three. Aray ko. Finish. Opo.
May video ko silang dalawa eh. Dati.
Ba, big boy talaga. Smile. Look, show your teeth. Oh, show your teeth. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Sama ka rin Pio para masama ka sa vlog. Masama ka sa vlog. Yan. Saan tayo, babe? Nagbilang na ang big boy, oh. Ilan daw kami? Dito na lang tayo, oh. Dito na lang kasi madami. Okay, Nate, oh. There's a... You like?
I don't know.
Ba, maraming dessert, tita. Daming dessert.
Korean rice cake with custard.
Tara, kuan pa, oh.
Pampabata.
Pampabata pa. Pampabata natin.
Ayun na pambabata. Cheat day.
Yan, picture ko kayo apat dyan, magkakapatid. Babe, sama ka rito, picture ko kayo. 1, 2, 3. Nathan, come here. Nate, busy ang big boy, oh. 1, 2, 3, kayo na lang. Okay. Busy ang big boy, eh. Ay, pa, te, yung kasipatan natin. Kasipatan natin. Yung ano namin, no, kasipatan namin nandito. Babe, yung kasipatan namin, meron pala dito. Nathan, look, Nathan. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Daddy, that's so close. Almost got hit by the elevator.
Dito. Door closing.
Doors closing. Ba ba ba.